Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have an account with admin rights and that OneDrive is running. Open the OneDrive app from the system tray or menu bar. This is essential because the app controls sync and settings. Once open, pause sync to prevent partial uploads or conflicts while you change settings. Make sure files finish any current transfers first. If they don't, wait or force a pause. These quick steps prevent data loss and let you proceed to disable features safely. Next, go into OneDrive settings and stop syncing by unchecking folders or using Choose Folders to remove them from sync. This prevents future uploads to the cloud. After stopping sync, use Unlink this PC to sign out the device. This severs the account connection without deleting cloud data. Then close the OneDrive app and check your local OneDrive folder so you know which files remain on your machine. Move important files elsewhere if you want them independent of the cloud. Finally, prevent OneDrive from restarting by disabling Auto Start in Task Manager on Windows or Login Items on Mac. This keeps it inactive after reboots. If you want it fully removed, uninstall via Settings apps on Windows or remove the app on Mac, but back up any local files first. If something goes wrong, for example, OneDrive still starts or files disappear, restart the computer, sign back and only to rerun Unlink, or reinstall briefly to access settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.